In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed draw.io diagrams in Confluence Cloud. Start by opening Confluence Cloud and navigating to the page where you want to display your diagram. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you want the draw.io diagram to appear. Type draw.io and select the draw.io diagram option from the list of available macros. If you already have an existing draw.io diagram, choose the option to insert or import an existing diagram instead of creating a new one. Browse for the diagram you want to use and select it. Once the diagram is added, Confluence will display it directly within the page. You can click on the diagram at any time to edit it using the draw.io editor without leaving Confluence. If your diagram is stored in a connected cloud service, make sure the appropriate sharing permissions are configured so team members can access it properly. After inserting the diagram, adjust its size and placement to fit your page layout. Review the page to ensure the diagram displays correctly and remains easy to read. When everything looks good, click Publish to save your changes. Your draw.io diagram will now be embedded directly in your Confluence Cloud page, making it easy for your team to view and collaborate on visual documentation. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a draw.io diagram in Confluence Cloud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.